Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing a simple yet powerful DIY rice scrub for exfoliating, hydrating and brightening the skin. Let's dive in. First, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, known for its soothing and hydrating properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. Now, let's add 1 tablespoon of glycerin to lock in moisture and keep the skin soft. I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of coconut oil for nourishment and protection. Finally, I'm adding the contents of 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules for their antioxidant benefits. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy scrub. Pour the rice scrub into a clean jar for easy storage. Apply a small amount of the scrub to your face and neck, gently massaging in circular motions to exfoliate. After massaging, leave it on your face for 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to deeply nourish and hydrate your skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Use this rice scrub 2 to 3 times a week for glowing, refreshed skin. If you enjoyed this DIY rice scrub, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.